Hey guys, Cobee here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to add Web Captioner to Streamlabs OBS. Adding it to the regular OBS program involves very similar steps, but for the sake of this video, we'll be using Streamlabs. Web Captioner is basically a service that allows you to add closed captions to your live streams and your VODs recorded through a streaming software. So the first stop is going ahead and opening up Streamlabs. And then open your web browser and go to www.webcaptioner.com, where you can simply hit that start captioning button and get yourself set up to go ahead and start captioning every word that you say into your microphone. Now, once you've clicked that start recording button, if you look towards the left, it tells you what mic is paired and used to pick up audio for the caption conversion. And then it also lets you know if you're too quiet or too loud based off that little meter. So now, if you see words popping up as you speak, you've got yourself a captioner. If you don't worry, we will talk about why you may not be seeing captions later. So now, let's explore the settings for Web Captioner. So in the settings, you can start modifying things such as appearance, font, and import any past settings. So take the time to explore the settings to change up the captions to exactly how you want your text to look, from the spacing of the wording to the font you prefer. You can even censor your audio to basically cut out any profane language if you would like to. You can change up the layout of the wording. You can even set up some keyboard controls, set the caption to pick up another language other than English if you speak other languages. You can even sync up any or all of your transcripts from caption sessions to your Dropbox. And then there's even a nice tool that can help you replace words based on alternative words you say. And once you've set up everything to your liking, you can easily export all of your settings and then restore them for future uses, so you wouldn't have to do this entire setup again. Okay, now that you've gotten your settings set just right, it's time to actually implement it into Streamlabs or OBS. The first thing you want to do is open up a new window on the Web Captioner website using the little up arrow button here next to stop captioning, and then it'll open up a window solely with the captions in the same format that you set up in the settings. Now, back in Streamlabs OBS, simply create a window capture element, name it anything such as captions, and now you've added captions to your stream. But we're not finished just yet. Let's go to filters to clean up the captions just a bit and to get rid of that window. Right-click your new caption source and go to filters, then click crop/pad. You can mess with the setting for top until the Windows OS interface is gone and it fits your needs overall. Now, you can simply move it around your screen into a space that works well for you. So usually I think top or bottom right corner is great for a lot of streams since it'll be out of your face and gameplay view, depending on your overlay and overall content. And lastly, as you can see, I tested it out when I recorded this tutorial with the captioner effectively picking up my voice and updating it correctly and quickly in Streamlabs. A couple of troubleshoot issues you may be having. Let's say you end up getting to the website, hit that start captioning button, but it's not picking up your voice. One thing to pay attention to is what microphone is being used by looking at the left of the start/stop captioning button. So if you notice that the mic specified is not the microphone you use for Streamlabs, you'll need to go to the sound settings within whatever OS you use on your computer. In Windows, you simply right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner where your notification panel is on the taskbar, go to sound settings, and then you can change your audio input device to the correct mic, such as the one you use for Streamlabs, and that should fix the issue. Another issue you might have is that maybe once you open up that new window of captions, it comes out black or blank on OBS. To fix this, go into settings of whatever browser you use for the Web Captioner. For my case, that's Google Chrome, and then search Hardware Acceleration to find a setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn this off, and this will allow that window to be accessible for OBS to display in your window capture. And with that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you were able to successfully implement closed captions into your future streams, because think about it. This is making your content more accessible to some who benefit from having closed caption services available. Make sure to add the closed captions tag to your Twitch stream through the dashboard so that those who do need or require it can know that you're taking that extra step for them to be entertained by you and your content. If you guys have any questions on how to use Web Captioner, or if you run into any other problems implementing closed captions to Streamlabs or OBS, feel free to let me know below in the comment section. See you guys next time.